Massachusetts has the 4th highest rate of prisoner suicide. How concerning is that, and what specific steps can be taken to sort of try to correct that number?
I think anytime you see a statistic like that, it is concerning, and it seems to me we should be looking at this. We should be looking at what is happening behind this, what is contributing to this, and identifying any reform steps that we need to take, measures that we need to take to ensure the safety of those in custody. You know that I'm a person who comes with a particular passion and interest in behavioral health. It's something that I've long advocated for. We've spent a lot of time on this as a subject, particularly as it relates to the opioid crisis, and this is just another example of, I think, the work that we need to do when it comes to behavioral health.
There's a rumor or report that Aaron Hernandez may have taken some synthetic marijuana prior to committing suicide. Are you concerned just on a larger scale that there might be a drug issue behind bars in Massachusetts prisons?
I haven't heard anything about that. I'm not going to comment specifically on the Hernandez matter because I just have not been briefed yet on any of the specifics. Obviously, we'll need to learn more. But I think the broader concern that I have is that we need to understand what it is that is leading to suicide in a custody setting, suicide in our prisons, and what, if anything, do we need to do a better job of ensuring the safety of those in custody, particularly as it relates to issues of self-harm and behavioral health.
Obviously, an investigation now is underway to this particular suicide. Should this be an independent investigation? Is more independent oversight maybe needed, just even again on that broader scale?
It needs to be a thorough investigation. It needs to be an accurate investigation, and it needs to be an investigation that will help us to better understand what it is that happened. But more broadly speaking, I think that it's important, and I support the look at what is it that we need to do in terms of the broader issue of suicide in jails and prison, and what do we need to do here in Massachusetts specifically, because that is my concern as Attorney General. What is it we need to do here in Massachusetts to address that issue?
Going back to the prisoner suicide issue, that your office will be specifically involved. I know DOC isn't necessarily your purview, but from the perspective of your office, is there anything that your office will, specific steps that you can take from the AG's position?
Well, I think I want to learn more, and I want to get briefed specifically on what is known at this time, and then I'll make a decision and about what I think is best, and what I think is best in terms of the role for our office. But certainly, as Attorney General, I have concerns about the numbers. I have concerns about any time when you see suicides in a custodial setting. I think it is right to be asking the questions and to be doing the look right now here in the state to determine what, if anything, needs to happen. And clearly, I think something needs to happen if we are experiencing numbers in a way that is seemingly disproportionate to other